This is the question here. This question, in a serial window of UART in KL IDE, display push pull fuel all in sequence once in 5 seconds. Display the same using multiplexer 7 segment display in A15 development kit. So this question involves two tasks. One, we have to use the internal serial port of 8015 microcontroller, and in the serial window, in the simulation in the KL IDE, we have to display push pull fuel all. Along with that, the same push pull fuel all need to be displayed in the multiplexer 7 segment display. Okay, first let us look at the push pull fuel all in multiplexer 7 segment display as you see here. So in this development kit, the code has been written to display the text in the multiplexer 7 segment display as push pull and fuel all as you see in this screen. So now you are able to see push after some 5 seconds, you are able to see pull after some 5 seconds, we are able to see fuel after 5 seconds, we are able to see all. So like this, any user friendly information can be given to the users by using this multiplexer 7 segment display as shown here. Now we are going to the KL IDE. In this KL IDE, the code has been written and then I am compiling and building. After that, in the simulator window, we are expecting the same thing to be displayed in the simulator window as you see here. So in this simulator window, when I run this code, we are able to see push pull fuel all, push pull fuel all. Now let us analyze this code, how best it works. Now go to the code in the KL IDE. So as usual, we begin with hash include reg51.h. Because the multiplexer 7 segment displays are being used, the segment selection is given as 2.0, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Why 2.0, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3? Here if you see, in this circuit diagram, 2.0 is used as a segment selection for segment 1s, 2.1 for 10s, 2.2 for hundreds, 2.3 for 1000 segment selection. This is the circuit diagram for displaying PUSH push pull fuel all. How fuel is getting displayed? If you look at this diagram, so as we know, the 7 segment code for displaying F is 71. The hexadecimal equivalent of displaying F is 71. So that means this is 7 segment code where the segments are A, B, C, D, E, F, G and decimal point as we know very well. So to display F, A should low, so A is 1, and B, C, D should not low, so that means B, C, D should not low, so the other 3 segments are 0. E, F, G should low, this is E, this is F and this is G, these three segments should low. So the hexadecimal equivalent of this is 0111 and 0001, which is 71. So when you give 71, it will display as 7 segment display will display F. Similarly, when you give 3E, it will display U. When you give 79, it will display E. When you give 38, it will display L. Similarly for pull, similarly for pull, as well as similarly for all, similarly for any characters as we wish to display. Now you look at this code, how it is being done. So in this code, as discussed, we have written an one-dimensional array for push pull. As you see here, 73 is the hexadecimal value for displaying P, 3E is the hexadecimal value for displaying U, similarly 6D for S and 76 for H. And these 4 are the 7 segment code for displaying pull, and these 4 are the 7 segment code for displaying fuel. And to display all, the first segment should be 0, so hence it is 0, 0 and all. So all are given in a single array. So to display the same push pull and fuel all in a serial window, we have another 4 arrays like push pull fuel all with the string of push pull fuel and all. So these 4 arrays are designed for displaying it in UART window where the ASCII characters need to be displayed. So here it is 7 segment codes. Okay, 7 segment codes used to display the characters, that's all. Okay, so here the corresponding variables are being declared, delay function is being written, and in the main routine we are initializing the interrupts, serial ports and timers as per the requirement. So I equal to 82, timer 0 interrupt. Why timer 0 interrupt? Timer 0 interrupt is for display refreshing. SCON is equal to 50 for enabling the serial port. So T mode equal to 20, timer for baud rate generation, and we are starting the timer. In this while loop, first we are displaying push by enabling thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. What is this thousand, hundreds, tens and ones? These are all the corresponding array values where the 0, 1, 2, 3. What is 0, 1, 2, 3? The 7 segment equivalent of the array 0, that is 0th location, first location, second location, third location. 0th location we have the 7 segment equivalent of P. In the first location we have 7 segment equivalent of U, and similarly S and H in this array as we see here. So array means A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, which is given as thousands, hundreds, tens and ones, and followed by the serial port. So there are push segments. Push is being displayed in the serial window by using this for loop. So for loop is going to run for 0 to 3 times, that means 4 times. Push of I. Push of I means when I equal to 0 means push of 0. Push of 0 is what? Capital P. Then push of 1 is capital U. Push of 2 is capital S. This is repeated for 4 times in the multiplexer 7 segment display as well as in the serial window. After some 2 second delay, again we do fuel with some delay. Again we do all with some delay. This is the interrupt service routine as we know very well. So in this interrupt service routine, every segment is on and the corresponding values are sent out through port 0, and then after some delay we are clearing that segment. So 1 segment on, displaying 1's value, 10 segment on, displaying 10's value, 100 segments on, displaying 100's value, 1000 segments on, displaying 1000's value. That's all. So this is the complete code which helps us to display push, pull, fuel all in multiplexer 7 segment display as well as in serial window. Once again I am compiling and rebuilding all. So in the serial window we are able to see push, pull, fuel all. In the serial window, if you connect any display system serially, we are able to see push, pull, fuel all. So it simultaneously in the serial window it is sending out the serial data through UART. Parallelly it is displaying the same push, pull, fuel all in the multiplexer 7 segment display through parallel port. So parallel port is working, serial port is working, timer 0 is working. So all the on-chip peripherals are utilized properly to display push, pull, fuel all in this experiment. Similarly, as per the application requirement, they can utilize the controller and the on-board peripherals as per the requirement. Thank you.